क्या आपका भी इसी तरह घर पर बैठकर स्पून घुमाने का प्लान है या फिर मेरी तरह you also want to explore these 4 winter escape that will make your winters more exciting. As you know, winter is about to knock on your door, so without getting delayed, let's get started with our first destination, Singapore. Because in winter, the sun turns gentle and you can explore this place without worrying about getting scorched. साल 6 महीनों का wait and I'm finally Singapore. And it's also a great time for sightseeing and shopping. Places that you can visit in Singapore in winter 2025. Gardens by the Bay and Christmas Wonderland. Gardens by the Bay is a year-round star with iconic attractions like the shimmering Super Tree Grove, Flower Dome, and Cloud Forest, perfect for escaping the heat in climate-controlled beauty. Christmas Wonderland, a magical pop-up festival in December, offers Italian luminary light sculptures, a festive European-style market, ice skating, carnival games, mulled wine and carols. Marina Bay light shows and countdown. The New Year's Eve countdown at Marina Bay Sands is a spectacular event with fireworks, drone displays, and rooftop dining options. One of Singapore's biggest year-end celebrations, Singapore Dream Cruise. Orchard Road and festive shopping. Orchard Road transforms into Christmas on a great street filled with dazzling installations, festive decorations, and an energetic shopping vibe. Vivo City also hosts a festive Christmas festival with oversized decorations, promotions, live events, and performances. Sentosa Island celebrations. Sentosa Island offers beach parties, DJ events, festive parades at Universal Studios, stunning rides like Sky Helix, and New Year themed attractions. Snow Fun Indoors Ice Magic. The Great Fantasy on Ice features real snow, slides, ice sculptures, Arctic lights, merry-go-round on ice, and a winter food village serving mulled wine. And a Snow City in Jurong delivers an indoor snow experience with igloos, sledding, snowball fights, and educational exhibits. Iconic observatories and views. The Marina Bay Sands Sky Park and Singapore Flyer both offer breathtaking views of the city's skyline, especially beautiful with minimized haze and festive lights. Wildlife Experience Singapore Zoo remains a top attraction with hundreds of species and more active wildlife in the cooler weather night safari. The world's first nocturnal zoo offers unique nighttime wildlife encounters under festive lighting. Local vibe and neighborhood exploration. Discover Singapore like a local in vibrant neighborhoods like Bedok, Katong, Little India, Chinatown, and creative enclaves like Jushad and New Baru. With cafes, cuisine, museums, and quirky galleries. Don't miss dining at Hawker Center like Maxwell, Newton, and Tekka, which offer iconic local dishes in an authentic setting and are recognized by UNESCO. Now coming to our next winter gem, Dubai. That's a dream city unlocked. Perfect weather, beaches, shopping, festivals, puri vibe here. And here's what makes Dubai special this winter. Desert safari and barbecue nights. Winter evenings are perfect for thrilling dune bashing, camel rides, and ending with barbecue dinner under the starry desert sky. Dubai Shopping Festival. The ultimate shopping paradise, massive discounts, live concerts, fireworks, and entertainment shows across the city. Miracle Garden. Imagine walking into a wonderland of 150 million blooming flowers, shaped into castles, animals, and even airplanes, only open in winter. Burj Khalifa fireworks and New Year celebrations. The world's tallest building lights up with the dazzling fireworks and LED shows, one of the most iconic New Year countdowns ever. Beach weather. JBR and Kite Beach are perfect in winter, sunny but not scorching, with water sports, cafes, and evening walks. Moving on to a third destination, Thailand. Winter here is magical because the tropical heat softens and making it the best time for beaches, nightlife, and culture. And here are the top things to enjoy in Thailand in winter 2025. Bangkok nightlife and festivities. From Khao Sa Road parties to rooftop bars overlooking the skyline, Bangkok is buzzing with New Year energy. Chiang Mai Lantern Festival. Imagine thousands of glowing lanterns floating into the sky. It's pure magic. Phuket and Krabi beaches. Winter gives you crystal clear waters for island hopping, snorkeling, and relaxing on paradise beaches like Phi Phi Island. Full Moon Party, Koh Phangan. World famous beach party with DJs, fire shows, and non stop music under the full moon, only in Thailand. Temples and culture. Explore Chiang Mai's golden temples or Ayutthaya's ruins in cooler weather without the sweaty crowds. And last but not the least, winter is the best time to visit Vietnam with cool breezes in the north and the pleasant warmth in the south. And here's what makes Vietnam a winter wonderland. Here's what makes Vietnam a winter wonderland. Hanoi and all quarter vibes, cozy streets with streaming balls of pho, coffee culture, and festive Christmas decorations. Ha Long Bay cruises. Winter mist makes this UNESCO bay look mystical, and the cooler weather is perfect for cruising and kayaking. Da Nang and Hoi An. Hoi An's lantern-lit streets glow even brighter in winter. Meanwhile, Da Nang offers marble mountains hikes with breathtaking views. Sapa Mountains. Snow-dusted mountains, terraced rice fields, and tribal villages. Sapa in winter feels like another world. Ho Chi Minh City and night markets. The south stays warmer so you can enjoy rooftop dining, festive markets, and vibrant night. So, these are the top 4 winter destinations for 2025. Singapore, Vietnam, Thailand, and Dubai. Each one has its own magic. But the question is, which one would you choose for your winter vacation? Drop your answer in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspirations.